All right, let's take a look at this square body. Wow, 1984 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe. Of course, 4x4. Okay. Now, this particular truck, interesting history. We know the history of it. It's a two-owner truck, original miles. Original owner bought this back in 1984, brand new, off the showroom floor. Actually ordered it. We have the paperwork that shows when he ordered it, original invoice. And so he had it from 84 to 87, put about 65,000 miles on it. I was then owned by a local fire department in nearby town, so it was used sparingly. Now has a little over 72,000 miles on it. As you can see, they would have equipped it with a worn winch up front. Model right there, MX 10000 D1. I'll tell you in a bit here where to check out. You'll be able to see the pictures of this vehicle. You'll be able to check out that original invoice I'm talking about. But let's hit on a few things first. Underneath the hood, of course, 5.7 liter, 350 bulletproof engine underneath there, and it runs smooth. New muffler was recently put on it, and also has new tires. That 350 is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Also has power steering and power brakes, and nicely equipped also. If you take a look up and down this truck, you're going to see this very straight. Yeah, there's some nicks and there's a few little dings. Has had a repaint for when the fire department owned it. But you're going to see how this looks around the cab corners, wheel wells, for a square body. It's a nice truck. Don't expect this one to last long. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures so you can see that original invoice, check out the engine bay, underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Front chrome bumper. Again, nice shape. Of course, with the brush guard up here. Everything looking good up front. Let's come around to the side here. Take a look above and around these wheel wells. And again, tires like brand new. Look at this. You know where these start to rust out. How you start to see bubbling. Look at the cab corners. And again, yeah, you're going to have a few little nicks, scratches, dings. But if you're looking for a truck that isn't full of holes, isn't bubbling, you know, you've seen these driving down the road where they're rusted out and the side of the bed's flapping in the wind. Not this one. It would have the deluxe cloth interior bench in it when it was ordered. We're going to get around and start this up too. It absolutely runs beautiful. Very, very smooth. Everything appears to work on the inside. We'll go through that in a little bit too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is one of those, you can use it just the way it is. Or if you want to bring it to the next level, make it a custom truck, this is one good starting point. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right to our website. We're going to check out all the still pictures. Again, original mile, two-owner truck. Take a look over here, and again, got a few rocks, but you know what? Shows you how solid that is behind it. It is not bubbling, rusting. Come down along this lower half. Again, check out the cab corners. Wow, very nice square body. All right, interior, original door panels, original seat. So it's the original colors of the truck. It's kind of that sand with the mahogany interior. Nice look, rubber flooring. There's a battery shut off right here, so let's click this on. And let's fire this up so you hear it. Now, as far as radio, AM radio, did have that working. Wipers work, washer on the wipers work. Appears all the gauges and everything worked. that starts, a little aftermarket tack's been added. Now when I say 4-speed transmission, of course you have kind of your granny gear low, 1, 2, and 3, of course reverse. The top of this dash. Sometimes you see those all cracked up. Listen to that run. How smooth it is. Again, new muffler on it. Slip around to the back. We're going to pop this hood too. I want you to see the engine bay. Nice. The door closes. Listen to that. Just smooth running. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I can show you the bed too. Bed, obviously, had use. But again, spray and bed liner. Really take this truck to the next level, no doubt about that. What a starting point, like I said earlier. All right, let's pause this a second and let's check out underneath the hood. 5.7, 350 V8 underneath the hood. Of course, power steering, power brakes, like I mentioned. I mean, everything underneath here pretty much looks stock, with the exception of the more heavy-duty power cable running the winch. Listen to that lifter noise. That is smooth. There you go. 2-owner, original mile, 1984 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.